Hey, Chuddy. You want a little finger pat? You want a little finger pat? Oh? 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 Who's a good parrot? You're a good parrot. Oh. Oh. Oh, well. Okay. I see how it is. You're getting the door closed on you, Chuddy. Move those damn claws. It's gonna come in on you, bruh. Bruh. Bro. Bruh. Come on, bruh. I don't want to do it. I don't want to have to do it, man. Come on, bruh. Come on, man. Oh. Oh. Oops. You want pets, right? Oh, yeah, okay, Chud. He literally just had to bite the thing. Get away, you freaking chud. You literal chud. Dog, it ain't that deep. Let me close the damn door. You freaking chud. I was just wanting a cute little wholesome video, you damn chud. Just let me close the door, chud. I'm gonna do it. Moved. I don't want to abuse him. I don't want to. You're a good boy.